Most people get this wrong when they search for payment proof online. They see a screenshot or a video and immediately assume the app is fully legit. But here's the truth no one tells you. Payment proof does not always equal reliable earnings, especially with reward-style apps like CashBeast. In this video you'll understand what CashBeast payment proof in 2026 actually means, how people claim to get paid, and how to judge whether those proofs are real, rare, or misleading. By the end, you'll know exactly how to evaluate any earning app before trusting it. Let's start with what CashBeast is supposed to be. It is typically promoted as a rewards app where users complete simple tasks, watch ads, or play mini-games to earn points. Those points are then converted into cash or gift cards once a withdrawal limit is reached. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you see payment proof online, it usually falls into three categories. First, real small payouts from actual users who manage to reach the minimum threshold. Second, promotional screenshots shared by affiliates or advertisers. And third, edited or exaggerated images designed to attract clicks. So yes, payment proof can exist. But the key question is how common it actually is. Most real users only report small and infrequent withdrawals, not consistent income. Someone like Alex might finally reach a payout after several days of completing tasks, but the amount is usually small. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They assume that if one person got paid, everyone will get paid easily. That is not how these apps work. Earnings depend on task availability, region, ad revenue, and sometimes changing reward rules. Now let's talk about what real users typically experience. Many report slow progress toward the withdrawal limit. Others say the app reduces earning rates over time, or introduces additional requirements before cashing out. This creates confusion, especially for new users expecting fast rewards. This is where most people get misled. They focus only on flashy payment proof videos and ignore the full earning process. But payment proof is only the final step, not the full story. For example, Jake might see someone withdrawing $10 and assume he can do the same quickly. But after hours of use, he realizes the earning rate is much slower than expected. So is CashBeast payment proof real in 2026? In some cases, yes. But it does not guarantee stable, repeatable earnings. Most proofs represent small or occasional payouts rather than consistent income. The real takeaway is this. Payment proof should be treated as possibility, not proof of reliability. A few successful withdrawals do not confirm that an app is a dependable earning platform. If you are testing apps like CashBeast, the smart approach is simple. Try it casually. Track your time versus earnings, and avoid assuming fast payouts based on screenshots alone. If this helped you understand how payment proof really works, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns.